Dear bonsai friends, I'm Peter from Bavaria. Welcome to my YouTube channel, World of Bonsai. In this video, I show you again one of my experiments. It's all about this three-crowned maple, trident maple. You have probably seen these very small bonsai trees with extremely thick trunks before. I also admired them very much. Unfortunately, they are also very expensive. 2 years ago, I bought this trident maple at the nursery. I don't have a picture of it. It was before my time on YouTube. At that time, this tree was a 3-meter high bush with some branches from the lower stem area. Here you can see still very well the large cut areas. It will certainly take some years until they heal. After the purchase, I had repotted the tree from its huge into a smaller pot. In springtime, it was time to choose a smaller pot again. Let's have a look how I did it. I didn't have much experience with this procedure until then. First, the video shows the repotting with the reduction of the root ball in March. After that, you will see the first cut with design of the branches in May. Then follows another trim in June with small corrections of the branch positions. Finally, the cut with improvements to the current state in July. The unpotting is done without any problems. Removing a little loose earth. During the last repotting, I had also used sphagnum moss for better root development. Didn't hurt the tree. Now it is removed. It is important to cut the thick roots short without damaging too many fine roots. Carefully remove some more earth mechanically. Now I'm gonna rinse the root ball off. I do not want to remove too much of the root soil because the mycorrhiza and bacteria should be preserved. Now the roots are a little bit better visible and can be cut back further. The new bowl. The drainage layer is lava and filling up with clay beads with small peat content. Here is what it looks like at this point. The first buds can be seen. It's May, ordinary growth in 6 weeks. Cutting and designing lace. I fix the individual branches with simple gardening wire at the edge of the plastic bowl. I easily draw the holes with the tip of my scissors. And wiring and retensioning is very easy with this method. In June, the tips were trimmed and the branches were retensioned and corrected. July. trimming to stimulate branching, although the branches are corrected again. That's it for the summer with this maple. In winter, I will continue to work on it. Also, check out my other videos. I would be happy if you subscribe to my channel and add a video to your playlist. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.